Hello guys, for today's tutorial we're teaching you about PHP, just the intro, not the intro, just a trick, because I got an email from an unknown subscriber was before, told me that what is PHP, what's database, how can I get about it, but it's not what I'm going to be showing in today's video. Today's tutorial will just be a, a trick in PHP, what you get in case when we start, because I'm still working on the videos, trying to meet some people and get what they think. So, but I'm just going to show you what PHP can actually do so that when we start it, it will not look like a strange thing. Because PHP is a little difficult, but it's easy, just like web, yeah, HTML. It's just if you're gotten the hang of JavaScript. So, without more talking, I'm just going to show you PHP Include, which is a kind of a thing in this particular a code in PHP which does import files in a particular document. So for today, we are going to type in some code. We're going to the index file, type in some code. So, but the problem is not with the code. That okay, look at here, we don't have the header, which makes our work untidy. But if we go here, we have typed in some code in the header.css, footer.php, header.php, the style is in header.css, footer, likewise footer.php and footer.css. Now we have our main style sheet here. So we have typed in code here, and this process I'm doing, you must always link your style sheet here, because you can't link it to an external sheet. Except you want to make your work too, it's not, it can't work, you must link it here. Except maybe you've gotten into PHP more, then you can be able to now link your style sheet in the PHP file. But for how you're starting, we link it in the main document file. So as how we have gone in, so we have typed in this style sheet we need. So that we have typed in this style sheet does not mean that going to appear. So now the question is how we are going to include the header. So it's just a simple trick. We have made room for the header here. We've created our header file, and the header we stored it in our folder name files. So we're just going to call it on this PHP include then files / header.php. So that these codes I'm typing cannot be run on a system except to host it. Well, make sure you subscribe to our channel, because we're going to do a video about hosting. So we have included it, refresh, say error passing file, okay, because we did not close it. It just has the same tag. We must close it just like HTML. Now if we refresh it, we have put our header shows there and it's fixed, because that's how we started CSS. So then we also go to footer, include it also. Files / footer.php. Save it. I'm using Sublime Text editor for this tutorial. Refresh, the same error. Show you that we have to be careful, mindful about these tags. If we don't close our work, we get untidy. So look at our header is being inserted without it being here. So you see that it actually makes your work tidier, because you don't store lots of stuff here. Time go, you may be work on moving post, so you don't store files here, you just save it in the file you want, and with PHP you include it there, which makes PHP kind of fun and make things much easier for us to manage, because it makes it not skeptical, makes it easier to work on, because when you just comment also that header goes here, then you now work on the header file, which makes it a little easier for us. So thank you guys for watching. We're not sure on when we're going to release our PHP using JavaScript and Boot, but make sure you subscribe, check out some of our videos, and there's a particular link in the description. Don't click on it. Thank you guys for watching.